Hi, it's Brenna Malin again from Colton RV and Marine. I'm one of the fifth wheel specialists here. I'm here to tell you about this fifth wheel behind me. This is called the Influence. It is made by the #1 selling manufacturer for towables, Grand Design. So first of all, this Influence comes with a fully molded front cap. This is going to be a beautiful front cap going down the road. It's going to keep you nice and protected, give you more insulation in that bedroom, keep you toasty warm. Also, it comes with this upgraded Rhino Box fifth wheel hitch. That is going to be nice and safe going down the road. And come on over here, I want to show you a few things over here. So not only does it have a nice big large pass-through, here are the instructions on how to set up, whether you're doing dry camping, you want to power fill your tank, you're going to use the city water at the campground, winterize it, or if you want to empty and sanitize your tank. You're going to hook the hose up right here. And notice you can empty the tank from right here. You don't have to reach underneath the fifth wheel. That is so great. Also, one thing they did different than other manufacturers, they have the auto leveling accessible right here on the door. So you don't have to tilt your head right into the pass-through. You can just press it from the outside. Now, all of them are coming with the Furrion hot water, tankless hot water heater. So that is going to be some on-demand water. You don't have to wait for it to warm up. They also switched their door design this year. So notice this door swings to the side instead of flipping up, so you're not going to be hitting your head on it when you're opening that. And then this one has that magnetic catch and a slam latch. All right, I can't wait to show you the other side. Okay, over here, you'll notice this fifth wheel has 2 large awnings, and the second one comes off of the slide. So you're gonna have plenty of room to set up your camp, have plenty of patio furniture outside that will all have coverage from that awning. Here is the other side of that pass-through. You can see there it is equipped with the tire link system. One also thing they added this year is this awesome screen defender. So nobody's going to be kicking holes in your screen. If you have pets, they're not going to be able to break through that screen when you have the door shut. Check that out. They also changed the design of their steps. You have 4 full steps, nice and wide, along with a sturdy, large grab handle. So when you're walking in and out of this camper, you're not gonna have any problems, especially if you have any mobility issues. Come back here, I'm gonna show you what families are gonna love, outdoor entertaining is gonna love, this awesome outdoor kitchen. Look at that, beautiful cabinetry that Grand Design is known for with real hardwood. You also have a griddle right here. You have an awesome chiller fridge for beverages, wine, drinks for the kids. That way they're not coming in and out of the camper just to get those. You have lots of counter space here. You could put a coffee maker out here, put a crock pot with some chili, who knows? And it also has a sink, so you could wash up outside without having to go in and out of your camper. And look at this sun coverage you have underneath it while you're using your outdoor kitchen. Now you probably noticed it has a second door. That's because this second door is going to go into the second bathroom. We'll see that when we go on the inside, but let's go in the main entrance. All right, now we're checking out the inside of the Grand Design Influence. So look at this beautiful decor. They did a great job of designing this. As you know, these are awesomely built. They're going to really withstand, and Grand Design is one of the only manufacturers that fully guarantees their warranty even if you're living in it full time. Over here you can see it has lots of windows for natural sunlight, and a bonus is that every single one of those windows opens up, so if you want to get some natural airflow, you can do that in this Influence. It does have this freestanding table with very comfortable cushioned chairs so that you can all sit here, hang out together, eat, play a game. Over here we do have our theater seats. Now notice these are actually mechanical, so you can open and shut them using a button. And then they do also have the USB ports here, and even a little table for what you're gonna hold your drinks on there, anything like that, your phone. All right, coming this way, here our entertainment center. You've got a decent sized TV with the electric fireplace underneath. Up here you could see it does come equipped with a Rockford Fosgate radio system. Now you can play Bluetooth from that, and you can have indoor or outdoor speakers, play them both at once. That's completely up to you. Now, let's look at what makes this camper super awesome is this kitchen. This island right here, they have a beautiful design on the countertops. And this sink is my favorite sink out there for RVs. Not only do you have the spray port, like many of them do, you've got a cutting board right next to a strainer so you could chop up your vegetables, put them right in there, rinse them off before you cook. It has another one for holding dishes. And this right here, you put your cup upside down on top of it, push down, and it's gonna spray a really powerful spray to clean right inside of those glasses. Okay, over here, you have lots of storage. You know, Grand Design is famous for having the best storage in the industry. You have more countertop right next to your 3-burner stove and a pretty large oven that you can cook your dinners in. Now, not only does it have a lot of storage in here, but they didn't think about your fur babies, or didn't forget about your fur babies. Down here, we do have pet dishes for your favorite family members that come along camping. Check out this 16 cubic foot refrigerator. You can bring everything along for those really long trips so you're not spending all your money on the road. And then you have this lovely pantry with motion sensor lights. And this right here, I'll point it out, this is their new Wi-Fi system. It's called TravelFi. They have went with it because it tested better than almost any Wi-Fi out there for RVs. You are gonna love this camper and the Wi-Fi service you get. Over here we have our coffee nook. And notice they put the outlets underneath so that you can plug in a coffee maker here, slushy machine, whatever you want. Lots of cabinetry to store your items. Now you might have noticed before when we walked past that this has a bunk room because this is the 3704BH. So it's got a completely separate room for a separate family, for your kids. You can even make it a home office. I love this sliding door. Check that out. It has a latch right here so you can lock it when you're traveling. Let's check it out. All right, so it does have this sofa, which also converts into a large bed that 2 adults could easily sleep inside of. They added a desk. Check that out because more and more people are starting to work from their RVs. You need a place to keep your items to work. Here's your ladder going up to a queen size bed up here. Lots and lots of storage back here in the bunk room. You see it has drawers down at the bottom, shelves, 4 shelves here. And then you also have this bed that'll flip down. You see it has the latches here for when you're traveling, but you could flip it down so you have an extra bed if you need it. And then check out this half bath. So your guests have their own bathroom, or the kids, whoever comes along with you. It has towel hooks to hang your towels, a separate entrance. Of course, Grand Design always uses porcelain toilets. Okay, you ready to go upstairs? All right, let's go. Now notice they put a railing here so it's nice and easy to get up. Take a look at this bathroom. This is your master bath. It's got a full shower with a lovely spray port that is adjustable for your showers. You've got 2 cabinets on the left to hold your items, towel hooks, a beautiful countertop, and a medicine cabinet. All right, let's check out this master bedroom. Look at this king size bed on a bed slide so you have plenty of space to walk around. Now, I also love that they have the 2 side windows that you can open up so you can get airflow when it's a nice day at night. And then they have the nightstands. They also have a shelf over the top. You also have storage under the bed. Look at how big that storage is. And then over here, look at the wardrobe. Plenty of room to store your shoes, camping items, clothing. And of course, this is equipped for you full-timers to have a washer and dryer. You'll see it has the water lines right there. These shelves are removable, so you can just use it as one tall wardrobe or for extra storage. Again, this is your camper. Use it how you want. And then check out what they did with the hidden storage this year. Those of you who have Grand Design know it used to flip up. Well, instead of having to flip it up so you have to clear everything off your counter or your dresser, you just slide it open. You can leave everything on the top and still have access to your hidden storage. So thank you for touring the Grand Design Influence with me. Once again, my name is Brenna Malin. I'm one of the fifth wheel specialists down here. You can call me at 716-694-0188 and my extension is 473.